Hello, good morning students. Now we have start chapter 4 factor and multiples. Look at this concept in module. First is introduction, second factors and multiples, third prime and composite numbers, then test for divisibility of numbers, then common factors and common multiples, then some more divisibility rules, then prime factorization, then highest common factor, then least common multiple, then some problems on SCM and LCM, and last summary. Okay student, look at this. Now first is introduction. Look at this, show the diagram. Arrangement of 8 balls in different ways. Look at this. 8 balls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One row into 8 balls oblique row is equal to 8 1 8 balls. One row and 8 balls. Look at this. Now, next, show the diagram. 2 rows into 4 balls. One row, 4 balls, and second row, 4 balls. 2 rows into 4 is equal to 8 balls. Look at this, show the diagram. Next diagram, look here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 rows and 2 balls. Each row is equal to 2 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 balls. So 4 rows multiplied 2 balls is equal to 4 to the 8. 8 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at this. Next diagram. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rows multiply 1 ball. Each row is equal to 1 ball. 8 row multiply 1 is equal to 8 balls. Look at this. We have seen that 8 balls can be arranged in the following ways. Okay student, 8 balls in 1 row, 4 balls in 2 rows, 2 balls in 4 rows, 1 ball in 8 rows. Okay, look at this. So we can say that 8 can be written as the product of two numbers in the following ways. 8 is equal to 1 multiply 8, 8 1 is 8, 4 multiply 2, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, and 8 1 is 8. Look at this. Look at this. Show the strict 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8 are exact divisor of 8. Okay student, they are called factors of 8. Okay, look at this. Now next topic, factors and multiples. First is factors. A factor of a number is the exact divisor of that number. That is, when it divides the number, the remainder left is 0. For example, factors of some numbers are 16 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. This is factors. 25 is equal to 1, 5, 25. And last, 36 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Okay, look at this. Now, look at this. 20 1 is 20, remainder is 0. 10 2 is 20, remainder is 0. 4 5 is 20, remainder is 0. 5 4 is 20, remainder is 0. 10 2 is 20, remainder is 0. 21 is 20, remainder is 0. Look at this, show the board. Therefore, we can say that 1, 2, 4, 5 and 10. 1, 2, 4, 5 and 10 and 20 are the factors of 20. Look at this. 15 1 is 15, remainder is 0. 7 2 is 14, remainder is 1. 5 3 is 15, remainder is 0. 4 3 is 12, remainder is 3. 5 3 is 15, remainder is 0. 6 2 is 12, remainder is 3. And 15 1 is 15, remainder is 0. Look at this. Thus, we can say that 1, 3, 5 and 15 are the factors of 15. Okay? Now, next, 1 is the factor of every number. Okay, student, look at this. A number when divided by 1 gives 0 as remainder. That is, 1 is the exact divisor of all the numbers and hence a factor of all the numbers. For example, 2 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 is remainder is 0. 45 is 4 1 is 4. And 5 carry, 5 is 5, remainder is 0. 1 multiply 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. And next digit 2, 2 1 is 2, remainder is 0. Okay, student, look at this. Now, next, a number is a factor of itself. Okay, student, a number when divided by itself gives 0 as the remainder. That is, it is an exact divisor of itself and hence a factor of itself. For example, look at this. 2 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, remainder is 0. 12 1 is 12, remainder is 0. And 45 1 is 45, remainder is 0. Look at this. Now next is, factors of a number are always less than or equal to that number. Okay, student. For example, factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Okay, student, look at this. Every factor is less than 24 or equal to 24. Okay. Look at this, show the diagram. Find answer to the problems as shown in the circle below. Look at this. The greatest factor of 39 is. The greatest factor of 39 is. Look at this. 39. All the factors of 21 are. Look at this, show the diagram. 1, 3, 7, 21. Okay, student. All the factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. Okay, student, look at this. The first two consecutive numbers after 44, which 17 is the factors are. Okay. Show the diagram. 51 and 68. Okay, student. Look at this. Now next, show the diagram. Look at this. I want a mango candy. Why didn't you come yesterday? I come here every 4th day. Look at this. Now, next topic, multiple. A multiple is a number that is a product of two whole numbers. Okay? Show the diagram. 2 multiply 5 is equal to 10. 2 and 5, this is factor and 10 is multiples. Okay, student? Show the board. Look at this. Now next, a number is a multiple of itself. When we multiply a number by 1, we get the number itself. For example, 21 manja 21, 257 manja 257. Look at this. Show the board. Okay, student. Now next is every multiple of a number is always greater than or equal to that number. For example, 21 to the 42. 42 is greater than 21 and 42 is greater than 2. Look at this. Show the board. Now next, the number of the multiples of a number is infinite. Multiples of a given number are obtained by multiplying the number with the endless list of numbers. Hence, we can conclude that the multiples of a number are infinite. For example, multiples of 2 is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. This is multiples of 2. Okay, look at this. Now next, 19 manja 19, 19 to the 38, 19 3 the 57, 19 4 the 76, 19 5 the 95 and so on. Okay, student. So the multiples of 19 are, look at this, 19, 38, 57, 76, 95, and so on. Okay, student, look here. Now, next, test your knowledge. The number of multiples of a number is option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, and option D infinite. Now, click to now the correct answer. Okay. So option D is correct, infinite. Okay, student. Look at this. Now next is topic prime and composite numbers. Okay. First is prime numbers. A number having only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, is called a prime number. Okay, student. For example, 7 is a prime number as it has only two factors, 1 and 7. 7 1 the 7. This is prime number. Okay, student. Look at this. Now next, composite number. A number having more than two factors is called a composite number. For example, 14 is a composite number as it has more than two factors, 1, 2, 7, 14. Okay. Note is, remember, 1 is neither prime nor composite number. It is a unique number. Okay, student. Look at this. Now show the diagram. Look at this. This is cross out 1. It is neither prime nor composite. Okay. Look at this. Level 2, cross out of the multiples of 2, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 2, 3 to 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on. Look at this. Level 3, cross out the multiples of 3, 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9, 3 4 the 12 and so on. Show the diagram. Level 5, cross out the multiples of 5, 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 3 15, 5 4 20, 5 5 25, and so on. Look at this. Level 7, cross out the multiples of 7. 7 to the 14, 7 to the 21, 7 to the 28, and so on. All the numbers that are left, they are prime. Look at this. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. Okay, student, look at this. Now, the prime numbers from 1 to 100 are as follows. Look at this. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. Look at this. Show the board. The prime numbers from 1 to 100 are as follows. Okay. Now next is even numbers. The numbers that are multiples of 2 are called even numbers. Look at this. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8 are and so on are all even numbers. Okay, student, look at this. Show the diagram. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on are all the even numbers. Okay. Now next, odd numbers. Odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. The numbers that are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on are all odd numbers. Okay. Look at this. Now next topic, test for divisibility of numbers. Divisibility rules. Okay, student, look here. A divisibility rule is a way of determining whether a given number is divisible by a fixed divisor without performing the actual division and by just examining its digits. Okay. Now, first is divisibility by 10. Look here. A number is divisible by 10 if it has 0 at its ones place. For example, 250 is divisible by 10, but 369 is not, as 369 doesn't have 0 at its ones place. Okay, student? Now, next is divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if it has either 0 or 5 at its ones place. For example, 95 is divisible by 5 but 69 is not, as 69 doesn't have 0 or 5 at its ones place. Okay. Now next is divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at its ones place. For example, check if 897 is divisible by 2 or not. Solution is, since 897 doesn't have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at its ones place, so it is not divisible by 2. Okay, look at this. Now next is divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is a multiple of 3. For example, check if 375 is divisible by 3 or not. Solution is, since 3 plus 7 is equal plus 5 is equal to 15 is divisible by 3, so 375 is also divisible by 3. Because 3 5 ja 15, so 375 is also divisible by 3. Okay student? Now next is divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is a multiple of 9. For example, check if 7288 is divisible by 9 or not. Solution is, since 7 plus 2 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 25 is not divisible by 9. So 7288 is also not divisible by 9. Okay student, look at this. Now next is divisibility by 11. Okay, a number will be divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of digits at its odd places and that of digits at the even places is divisible by 11. Okay student, look at this. For example, 50413. Okay, look at this, show the arrow. Sum of digits at odd places 1 3 5. This is odd places. Sum of digits at even places 0 plus 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and sum of digits at odd places 5 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 12. Look at this. Difference is equal to 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. So 50413 is divisible by 11. Okay student? Now next topic, common factors and common multiples. Okay, look at this. Common factors. Factors that are common to two or more numbers are called common factors of those given numbers. Show the diagram. Look at this. Two, 3 and 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay. Now next, factors of 6, factors of 18 and factors of 30. Factor of 6 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay. Now next, factors of 18 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. And last, factors of 30, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Okay student, look at this. Such factors are called common factors. Okay student. Now next is common multiples. Multiples of 3 is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and so on. This is multiples of 3. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9, 3 4 the 12, 3 5 the 15, 3 6 the 18, 3 7 the 21 and 3 8 the 24. And next, multiples of 4. 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8, 4 3 the 12, 4 4 the 16, 4 5 the 20, 4 6 the 24, 4 7 the 28 and 4 8 the 32 and so on. Okay. multiples that are common to two or more numbers are called common multiples of those given numbers. Okay student, look at this. Now next, multiples of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and so on, and multiples of 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 and so on. Such multiples are called common multiples. Look at this. Show the circle. 8 and 16. Now for example, find the common multiples of 3, 6 and 9. Look at this. Multiples of 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9, 3 4 to the 12, 3 5 to 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36 and so on. And multiples of 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so on. And multiples of 9, 18, 27 and 36 and so on. So common multiples of 3, 6 and 9 are 18 and 36 and so on. Look at this. Okay student. Now some more divisibility rules. First is, if a number is divisible by another number, then it is divisible by each of the factors of that number. Second, if a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then it is divisible by their product also. Okay student. For example, 30 is divisible by 15. Factors of 15 is equal to 1, 3, 5, 15. Okay. And 30 is divisible by 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay student. Look at this. Now next is prime factorization. When we express a number in terms of its prime factors only, we call this process prime factorization. Look at this. Show the diagram. Look here. Show the diagram. Prime factors. 1092 is equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 7 multiply 30. Okay, this is prime factor. Now for example, 18. 6 3 to 18, 9 2 to 18. This is factorization. 3 multiply 2. 6 is equal to 3 multiply 2, and 2 multiply 9, 2 into 9, 3 multiplied by 3. This is prime factorization. Look at this. Now next is factor tree method. In this method we repeatedly factorize a number and represent it in the form of an inverted tree until all prime factors are obtained at the lowest level. Look at this. Show the diagram. 96. Break two parts. 8, 12 are 96. 12 8 are 96. Again 8 is break two parts. 4 multiply 2. This is 4 to the 8 and 4 3 are 12. Again 2 to the 4 and 2 to the 4. So factor tree method is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 is equal to 96. Show the diagram. Okay. Next, long division prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on in this order repeatedly as long as the quotient is divisible by that number. Okay student, now prime factorization of 96. 48 to the 96, 24 to the 48, 12 to the 24, 6 to the 12, 3 to the 6 and 3 1 the 3. This is long division method. Show the diagram. Look here. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and last 3. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 is equal to 96. Okay student, this is long division method. Thank you. Now next topic is highest common factor. Okay student, look at this. The HCF of two or more numbers is the greatest number among their common factors. Okay, look at this. Note, HCF is also called GCD, greatest common divisor. Okay, look at this. Now, let us find the HCF of two numbers by using paper cutting method. Okay student, look here. Let us take two numbers. Cut a strip of length 24 units using blue color grid paper. Show the diagram. Look here. 24 units, blue strip. Now, show the diagram. Cut out another strip of length 16 units using pink color grid paper. Show the diagram. Paper the pink strip along the blue strip as shown and cut the remaining part of the blue strip. Look at this. Show the diagram. Now, place the smaller cut out strip blue along with the larger cut out strip pink and cut out the extra part pink strip as shown. Show the diagram. Repeat the activity till both the strip pink and blue are equal. Look at this. Therefore, the HCF of two numbers 24 and 16 is both units are same. Pink and blue 8 units. Now next, methods of finding HCF. Show the flow chart. Look at this. Common factor method, prime factor method and division method. Okay student. Now first, common factor method. In this method we find all the common factors of the numbers and then find the greatest common factor amongst them. Okay, look at this. Now example is find the HCF of 15 and 45. Look at this. We first find the HCF. Now we find the factor of 45. 15 and 45. 15 1 is 15, 5 3 is 15, 15 1 is 15, 5 3 is 15. Look at this. And 45. Find the factor of 45. 1 3 9 5 15 45. Okay, show the diagram. Okay student. Now let us find the common factors. Look at this. Show the diagram. The largest common factor becomes the HCF. Hence HCF is equal to 50. 5 3 is 15. Okay student. Now second method, prime factor method. Okay, look at this. Example is find the HCF of 24 and 44. Show the board. We first express 24 as the product of its prime numbers. Look at this. Factor of 24. We now express 44 as the product of its prime numbers. 12 to the 24, 2 6 are 12 and 2 3 are 6 or 3 1 are 3. Okay, and next 44, factor of 44, 22 the 22 to the 44, 11 to the 22, 11 1 the 11. So factor is 24, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Okay, and 44 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 11. Okay student. Now we find the common prime factors 24 and 44 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and 44 is 2 into 2 into 11. So common factor is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. HCF is equal to 4. Look at this. Okay. Now next method, division method. Steps. Divide the larger number by the smaller one. Next, divide the divisor by the remainder. Next, repeat the same process until the remainder is 0. And last, the last divisor is the HCF. Okay. For example, find the HCF of 66 and 110. Look at this. 66 1 is 66. Remainder is 44. 44 1 is 44. Remainder is 22. 22 2 are 44. Remainder is 0. Look at this. So HCF is equal to last divisor is equal to 22. Okay student. Now next co-prime numbers. Two numbers which do not have any common factor other than 1 are called co-prime numbers. Their HCF is 1. Okay. Look at this. For example, 28 and 45. Factor of 28 is equal to 2 into 2 into 7. And 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. Since 28 and 45 have no common factor, they are co-prime numbers. 28 and 45, this is co-prime number. Okay. Least common multiple, LCM. Look here, show the diagram. The ice cream vendor come on following days 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24. Look at this. Show the diagram. The balloon seller come on following days 3rd, 6th, 9th, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and so on. We can see that days 12, 24, 36 and so on are common to both. Okay. Hence both the vendors will come together again on the following days 12 and 24. Okay student. Multiples of 3 and multiples of 4. Multiples of 3 is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and so on. And multiples of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Okay student. Now common multiples is equal to 12 and 24. Okay. So LCM is equal to least common multiple is equal to 12. Okay student. Now methods of finding LCM. Look at this. This is flow chart. Common multiple method, prime factor method and common divisor method. Okay student, look at this. First is common multiple method. In this method we find all the common multiples of the numbers and then find the least common multiple amongst them. Okay. For example, find the LCM of 12 and 16. Look at this. Multiples of 12 are 1212, 12 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108 and so on. And multiples of 16 are 16, 32, 48, 68, 64, 80, 96, 112, 128 and so on. So common multiples are 48, 96 and so on. Okay student, look at this. So LCM of 12 and 16 is equal to 48. Least common multiple is equal to 48. Okay. Now second method of finding LCM. Second method is prime factor method. In this method we express each number as the product of prime factors. The LCM is the product of highest powers of each prime factors. Okay. For example, find the LCM of 24 and 44. Look at this. We first express 24 as a product of its prime numbers. Factor of 24. 12 to the 24, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6 and 3 1 are 3 and 44, 22 to the 44, 11 to the 22 and 11 1 are 11. Factor is 24 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 and factor of 44 is equal to 2 into 2 into 11. Look at this. Now we find the greatest power of each common prime factor. 24 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 and 44 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 11. So greatest power of 11, the LCM is the product of highest power of each. Okay, now we will find the greatest power of each common prime factor. Look at this. So LCM is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 11 is equal to 264. Look at this. Now next method, common divisor method. In this method we divide each of the numbers with their prime divisor until we get 1. The LCM is the product of all the prime divisors. Okay, look at this. For example, find the LCM of 66 and 110. Look at this. LCM of 66 and 110. Find a prime number that divide both 66 and 110. The number is 2. 33 to the 66 and 55 to the 110. 11 3 the 33 and 11 5 the 55. Look at this. Find a prime number that divide both 3 and 5. There is no such number, so we divide it by 3 and carry forward 5 to the next step. Next number 3. 3 1 3 and 5 1 5. So LCM is equal to 2 multiply 11 multiply 3 multiply 5 is equal to 330. Look at this. Some problems on SCF and LCM. Okay. Find the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the oil of both the tankers having capacity 680 liter and 850 liter respectively when used an exact number of times. Look at this, show the diagram. First tanker 680 liters capacity and second tanker 850 liters capacity. Okay. Look at this. We will find the SCF of 680 and 850. Show the board. 680, factor of 680. Look at this. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 70. Okay. And next 850. Factor is 850. 2 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 70. Okay. So highest common factor is equal to 2 multiply 5 multiply 70. Look at this, is equal to 170. Okay. Hence the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the oil of both the tanker is 170 liters. Okay. Look at this. Now some question. A boy and a girl takes 50 seconds and 40 seconds respectively to complete one trip around a circular path. If they both move in the same direction, when will they meet again? Look at this. We have to find the LCM of 40 and 50. Look here. LCM is equal to 200 seconds. 5 multiply 5 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 is equal to 200 seconds. Hence, they meet after 200 seconds. Okay, student. Now, last is summary. Properties of factors. First, factors of a number are always less than or equal to the number itself. Okay, student. Second, factors of a given number are finite. Okay, student. Next, every number is a factor of itself. Properties of multiples. First is every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Okay. Next, every number is a multiple of itself. And last, the numbers of multiples of a given number is infinite. Okay, student. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 4, 8 in its ones place. Okay, student. Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is a multiple of 3. Okay. Divisibility by 4. A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits, that is digits at ones and tens places, is a multiple of 4. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if it has either 0 or 5 in its ones places. Okay. Divisibility by 8. A number of 4 or more digits is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Okay. Divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is a multiple of 9. And last, divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if it has 0 in its ones places. Divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of digits at odd places from to right and the sum of digits at even places from the right is either 0 or a multiple of 11. Okay. Now next, prime factorization. When we express a number in terms of its prime factors, we call this process prime factorization. Okay, student. Highest common factor. The highest common factor SCF of 2 or more given numbers is the highest or greatest of their common factors. It is also known as greatest common divisor. Now next, lowest common multiples, LCM. The lowest common multiple of two or more given numbers is the lowest of their common multiples, smallest or least number. Okay. Thank you.